Adidas posted its first annual loss in more than 30 years on Wednesday. The German sportswear giant lost just over $63 million, marking its first year in the red since 1992. It proved a challenging first full year in charge for CEO Bjorn Gulden. He had to deal with the fallout from breaking ties with Kanye West. Adidas suspended sales of the rapper's highly profitable Yeezy sneaker line in 2022. Golden resumed sales to clear remaining stock while trying to boost popular products like Samba shoes. Adidas shares have recovered and overtaken Nike and Puma since Golden took over. The firm said it expects its underlying business to improve in 2024 and sees double-digit growth in the second half. Adidas aims to claw back market share from rivals even as consumer appetite for sportswear declines. It's benefited from a trend for low-rise sneakers like the Samba and Gazelle lines and ramped up production. That trend helped footwear sales grow by 8% in the fourth quarter, even as apparel sales fell 13%. Adidas sees sales this year falling in North America, its second biggest market, but it expects a strong recovery in China, with sales there forecast to grow at a double-digit rate.
Two-thirds being in the affirmative, the rules are suspended, the bill is passed.
The U.S. House of Representatives on Wednesday passed a bill cracking down on TikTok. If it were to become law, the measure would force the app's Chinese owner to divest its U.S. assets in 6 months, or face a ban. American lawmakers from both parties have raised alarms that through the Chinese-based parent company ByteDance, the Chinese government could gain access to the personal data of more than 170 million American users. Democratic Congresswoman Anna Eshoo.
They can weaponize this data to exploit and manipulate Americans through surveillance and disinformation.
The vote comes a little over a week since the bill was proposed, and after action in Congress had stalled for more than a year. Ahead of Wednesday's vote, Beijing accused Washington of bullying, and there's plenty of opposition at home as well. Republican Congressman Dan Bishop.
The proper relationship between government and citizen in the United States is that the citizen decides what to be exposed to and what ideologies to embrace and consider, and is always free to engage in expression, including across international boundaries.
Adidas posted its first annual loss in more than 30 years on Wednesday. The German sportswear giant lost just over $63 million, marking its first year in the red since 1992.